Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to set up RSI alerts on Tradingview in 2026 so that you never miss any of the key overbought or oversold signals. So first of all, come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday sale page in the description. Over here, currently you will get the subscriptions at up to 80% off plus 1 month absolutely for free. The sale is going to end in only 2 days, so make sure that you hurry up if you are interested. Here on this page, hover over to the top and click on the option of products. You can also click on the search icon here on the top. Then you can launch any of the charts. Now, once you have your chart ready in front of you, we need to add the RSI indicator here first. So click on the option of indicators here on the top. Use the search bar and look for the RSI strategy. So here click on the option of RSI strategy, and as you can see, the RSI indicator is available here on your chart. Now, once it appears, it is going to show you basically the price chart. So you need to hover over to this particular drop down menu, then come here in the settings of this RSI strategy. Over here, come here in the input, and then you can make changes into the input. You can also just make changes into any of these settings available. If for any reason, if you want to reset the settings, simply click on this drop down menu and reset it. Now here you will see the option of alerts as well. So when you click on the option of alerts, you just have to simply select the symbol. After that, select the RSI strategy or the condition. Then select the interval and then simply click on the option of create. You can also select the expiration date as well. So this way your alert will be created and it will show up here. Now for any reason, if it fails and if it shows you this type of pop-up, it simply means that you get the personalized alerts option with their premium subscription. Currently, as I've told you earlier, the 80% off discount is going on. So if you are interested, you can just explore the offers. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.